Welcome back, guys. This is 5XD Drive, and we are going to switch out our lights in our AC to LEDs. We already got LEDs up here in these lights. It'll just give it a good polished look to everything. So let's get into it. So first off, getting to the AC controls, we have to take this border off, which will reveal screws inside of here. There's 2 screws. I don't put it in at all. Usually they're supposed to be there, but I don't have them in. They just pop on, so this whole thing just pops off. So we're gonna start from over here, work our way over. It's a plastic one, nylon plastic, and it's just from bike mechanics. So this off. This is for all our fuses. Just gonna pry it off a little bit, and it just pops out. As you can see, there's just clips holding it on. So back here, we have that red clip we were talking about, and then we'll have this clip right here we're gonna push down on, and then we'll take our flathead, slide that off just like that. I'm gonna try it a little bit more. There we go. Got our airbags right here. We have to unplug, and our 4-wheel drive we'll have to unplug as well. Easy thing to do, you get your key, press a brake, just turn it on to here, put your parking brake on, and we're gonna shift all the way down. This is so we can get it around our shifter. Now we wanna lower our steering wheel, angle down. Right down in there, we'll have this guy over here, and then the one over farther. That one, we'll move over. Room. There. There we go. We got our whole panel out, and we're ready to replace our switches. So the AC unit is just, we got 4 different ones, and they're just a screw. You get a screwdriver, take those out, and there you go. There you got your full AC unit. We're ready to switch those light bulbs out. And then we're gonna start from the back. Sometimes to make this easier, you can just pop them out from right here, but I like taking the whole thing off so we can actually get into it. Sometimes you get the wrong size and it's not that fun of a project. So we're gonna take out 2 screws, this silver one right here and this silver one right here. And there's that. Now we're gonna take like a pick or something, and we're gonna go and get these clips on top. So you can pick right there. So I got a second pick just to make it a little easier. Let's get those clamps out. So the bottom's good. But there we go. It's these knobs that you have to take out. There. Sweet. And we managed to only break 1 tab off. We got our panel. Take that out. We want to keep this side down because we'll lose all the buttons on this side. And it's just these 3 right here. So if you go and take a flathead or something like that, you can just twist them out. Twist and pop out. And you see all they've been weathered and stuff. Get some calipers and measure the base of them. So mine are gonna be around 12 for the base, and that's what you're gonna go on, is 12 for the base. And I got some new LEDs. Fortunate for you, I linked these down in the description, so you just have to go down there. They're 12 millimeters Dodge Dakota. We got 1 LED. And the only thing that we have to do to these to make it fit is they have side tabs right here. We're gonna just narrow them down a little bit, just shave a little bit off the inside of it. I like to shave a little bit off the inside of these tabs. because once you twist these in, they're gonna lock into place, but since there's a wire on this side, it makes it a little bit of a tighter fit. So we're gonna shave a little bit off the inside of these tabs real quick. Take our needle nose. You wanna push down towards and then twist it as well. So it goes in straight. And once you see those tabs on the side or all the way on, all the way slipped onto the circuit board, then you are good to go. And they're over those metals on the back. And just do the same to the other two. We got them all in. We got our 3 LEDs. So we're gonna slide this back in, line these 2 AC ones up. You can't switch those ones out. Those ones are hardwired in. So line those up. And get your backing. We got the pins right here as well. We're gonna line those up. There we go. Pop that back in. Put your knobs back on. Knobs turn. Get those screws. Put them back in. We got it all put back together. I just have to redo that clip right there. Also pull my light switch out as well. That one was just more screws. But I got this one as well. This one's gonna be linked down in the description, so I'll just run this one. I'm just gonna run one instead of 2 of them over here. An 01 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter V8, replacing the LED lights inside, switching them from normal bulbs to LED. Thank you guys for watching, and this is how we do. See ya.